This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious gravy without using any butter. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of pan drippings, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or cornstarch, and 1½ cups of your favorite broth. Make sure your drippings are strained for a silky smooth result. Having your tools like a whisk and saucepan ready will make the process much easier. Now, let's create the thickening base for our gravy. If using flour, heat your pan drippings in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour, stirring constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes until it forms a light golden roux. This step is crucial for flavor and color. If you prefer cornstarch, simply mix 2 tablespoons with 2 tablespoons of cold water to form a smooth slurry. Next, we'll add the liquid. Slowly pour 1½ cups of broth into your roux or slurry while continuously whisking. This constant motion is key to preventing lumps and achieving a smooth texture. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, continuing to stir. As it simmers, the gravy will begin to thicken beautifully. If it becomes too thick, simply whisk in a little more broth. Finally, it's time to season and finish our gravy. Taste the gravy and add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. You might also consider a pinch of dried herbs, such as sage or thyme, for an extra layer of flavor. Let it simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes to allow all the flavors to meld together perfectly. Your rich, savory, and butter-free gravy is now ready to be served warm over mashed potatoes, turkey, or any dish you desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.